Acupuncture, ancient healing art. I've tried acupuncture recently for back pain and was impressed with the results, and so I thought I would share a video for anyone new to acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient healing practice that combines traditional Chinese medicine with modern evidence-based techniques. It offers a holistic approach to health validated by science. Its precision and effectiveness make it a globally recognized complementary therapy. Acupuncture uses thin needles on specific body points to stimulate healing. Based on QE energy flow, this ancient practice is now WHO recognized for treating various conditions. The photo shows precise needle placement. I would add that in my experience, acupuncture speeds up the healing process. Acupuncture has a rich and extensive history that can be traced all the way back to China's Stone Age, where it originated with the use of sharpened stones known as bean stones for therapeutic purposes. Over the centuries, this ancient practice experienced significant growth and development, particularly during the illustrious Han Dynasty, when foundational medical texts such as the Huangdi Neijing, Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, were compiled, establishing the theoretical framework for acupuncture. The practice reached its zenith during the prosperous Tang Dynasty, which saw the establishment of formal education systems for acupuncture practitioners and the standardization of techniques. In more recent times, modern scientific research has provided substantial evidence supporting acupuncture's efficacy, leading to its widespread acceptance and integration into healthcare systems around the world. This comprehensive timeline not only demonstrates the remarkable evolution of acupuncture through different historical periods, but also highlights how it has successfully maintained its fundamental principles and traditional essence throughout its long journey, from ancient China to the global stage today. Acupuncture is an ancient healing practice that operates by carefully regulating and balancing the body's vital qi energy through an intricate network of meridians, specifically 12 primary pathways that interconnect various organs throughout the body. The insertion of fine, sterile needles at precise acupuncture points serves to stimulate these pathways, effectively restoring and optimizing the natural flow of energy. While rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, contemporary scientific research has increasingly validated many of these time-honored concepts. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, fundamentally views optimal health as a state of harmonious energy equilibrium, where qi flows freely without obstruction through all meridians, maintaining balance between yin and yang forces within the body. This comprehensive approach to wellness considers both physical and energetic aspects of health, offering a holistic perspective that has endured for thousands of years and continues to gain recognition in modern medical practice. Science explains acupuncture's effects. Needles trigger nerves, releasing pain-relieving endorphins. Studies show it impacts blood flow, hormones, and immunity. Brain scans confirm its activity patterns. This research validates ancient practice with modern evidence, bridging traditional and contemporary medicine. Acupuncture is a highly specialized therapeutic practice that employs a variety of needle types and application techniques to achieve optimal results. Practitioners may utilize several distinct methods, such as the traditional manual insertion of fine needles, the modern electroacupuncture approach, which incorporates mild electrical stimulation, or the warming technique of moxibustion that involves burning medicinal herbs near the skin. These diverse techniques can be strategically applied to different anatomical locations, including the body's energy meridians, sensitive trigger points, or specialized microsystems like the scalp or ear. The accompanying chart provides detailed visual guidance for practitioners, illustrating the exact anatomical positions for needle placement to address specific health concerns. Importantly, each treatment session is carefully tailored to the individual patient's unique condition, taking into account their specific symptoms, constitution, and response to previous therapies, ensuring a personalized approach to healing and wellness. Acupuncture is a highly versatile and widely recognized form of traditional Chinese medicine that has been proven to effectively treat a broad spectrum of health conditions. This ancient practice can address various physical and mental ailments, including but not limited to chronic pain conditions like arthritis and back pain, mental health challenges such as anxiety and depression, digestive system disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome, and allergic reactions like hay fever. The World Health Organization, WHO, after extensive research and evaluation, has officially endorsed acupuncture as a valid treatment method for more than 100 different medical conditions. One of the most remarkable aspects of acupuncture is its ability to simultaneously target and improve multiple health issues in a single treatment session, making it an exceptionally comprehensive and efficient therapeutic approach. Many patients report experiencing improvements in various interconnected symptoms after undergoing acupuncture therapy, which demonstrates its holistic nature and systemic effects on the body's overall well-being. Acupuncture has been proven to be an effective treatment for a wide range of health conditions, including chronic pain management, mental health disorders like anxiety and depression, digestive system imbalances, immune system deficiencies, and fertility issues. This ancient Chinese healing technique works by stimulating specific points on the body with fine needles to restore the flow of energy and promote natural healing. The World Health Organization, WHO, and the National Institutes of Health, NIH, have both officially recognized acupuncture as a valuable complementary therapy that can be used alongside conventional medical treatments. These respected health organizations endorse acupuncture as a holistic approach to healthcare that addresses not just physical symptoms, but also emotional and energetic imbalances in the body. Many clinical studies have demonstrated acupuncture's effectiveness, making it an increasingly popular treatment option in modern integrative medicine. Have you tried acupuncture? Tell me in the comments. Did it work for you?